7 prophetic insights that will transform your inner healing journey. Hi, I'm Jury Shank, host of the Legends of the Wind podcast. If you need inner healing, discovering your own prophetic story can open your hearts and bring transformation to your life. Let me share some prophetic insights for your inner healing journey. Have you ever felt like the storms in your life would never end? Imagine this: a sailor lost at sea hears a voice whisper, "Hold on, your rescue is near." That voice leads him to safety. That's how God's prophetic stories work, guiding us through life's worst experiences. Let his voice heal you and lead you to inner peace when you experience life's storms. What if you need God's guidance when you're lost? There was once a broken compass that a traveler thought was useless, but in the hands of a master, it pointed true north. You might feel lost, but God can turn your pain into purpose. Will you let him guide your journey? A prophetic story from legendsofthewind.com can help you discover the way forward. Do you need to find strength through life's storms? Let me give you an example about this. A mighty oak grows stronger after every storm. Its roots dig deep, holding it firm. You too are being strengthened through your trials. Through prophetic stories, discover how God's love grounds you even in the fiercest winds. Sometimes in life we feel dry, yet God's well of refreshing love can help us. In a barren desert, a weary wanderer stumbled upon a well that never ran dry. That well represents God's healing love, overflowing and eternal. Come, drink deeply from the stories of his faithfulness and find your refreshment. He is still writing your story. Let's say you've experienced tragedy or abuse. God can bring beauty from brokenness through inner healing. A cracked jar may seem broken, but it pours out the sweetest water. Your scars tell a story, and through them, God's glory shines. Listen to his prophetic whispers. He's turning your pain into beauty. What about the relentless love of God? A shepherd once left 99 sheep to find the one that was lost, the one that mattered. You matter. Through prophetic storytelling, hear about God's relentless love, how he searches for and heals every broken heart. Not only that, freedom awaits through transformation. Have you ever seen a butterfly struggle to break free from its cocoon? That struggle strengthens its wings. In the same way, your trials prepare you for new heights. Let prophetic stories remind you of the freedom and healing waiting on the other side. If these thoughts about your inner healing journey resonate with you and you're curious to know more about prophetic stories, check out legendsofthewind.com to learn more. We provide incredible prophetic experiences that show God's creativity to bring inner healing. What story are you in? Visit legendsofthewind.com now.